How to export a Trello board to Excel. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to tap on this boards option, and then after that, it will automatically show us all the boards that we have on our account. In here, as an example, I'm going to select this HR work, and then after that, in here, there are two ways for you to export a Trello board to Excel. The first one is by simply tapping on these three dots, and then at the bottom, tap on this print, export, and then share. In here, you will now see this option, upgrade to export as a CSV. So in here, the only way for us to use this option is to get a Trello premium account. Once you do that, you will be able to export your Trello board to an Excel file. Another way for you to export a Trello board to Excel is by using a Power App. To do that, we'll have to go back, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this Power App icon, and then at the bottom, tap on this Add Power Apps option. After that, we'll have to go on the search bar and then search for Export. Once you do that, you will be given different types of Power App. All you need to do is to select one, and then after that, simply tap on this Add option. Since I already have this Exportify, CSV, Excel, PDF, Word Export, all I need to do is to tap on this one. So in here, you will be given instructions on how to use the Power App. Once you do that, we'll just have to go back, and then in here, we'll have to tap again on this Power App icon, and then after that, we'll have to tap on this Exportify, and then in here, since I already used this one, in here, as you can see, for me to use this Power App, I need to start a 7-day free trial. Once I do that, I will be able to use this Power App to export my Trello board to an Excel file. So those are the ways on how you can export a Trello board to Excel. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.